The BOC, or the Building Operator Certification, is a national training and certification program that trains participants to use their equipment, the equipment that's in commercial buildings, more efficiently. So we train particularly public facilities like K-12 schools or local governments on how to use their HVAC equipment and lighting controls more efficiently.
The great thing about the BOC program is that you can invest in the most efficient equipment that's available, but if you don't know how to operate it properly and you don't know how to maintain it properly, you're not going to see the savings, you're not going to have that impact, and that's what BOC teaches you how to do.
For employers, they're going to have a more well-rounded individual at the end of the day, both on energy, mechanical systems, and electrical systems.
ADECA helps to administer the Building Operator Certification Program. We were lucky enough to receive a grant from the Department of Energy, which allowed us to purchase the licensing to bring the BOC program to Alabama. The training, because it does help the participants to learn how to use their equipment properly and more efficiently, the reduced energy usage as a result of those efficiencies actually help them to save money.
Understanding your utility bills and the benchmarking of your energy data use is an important part of BOC instruction, using tools such as Energy Star Portfolio Manager.
ADECA, originally we set up with the Portfolio Manager to help us set some benchmarks and some goals, and to allow us to see where we were using our energy and where we wasn't using it, and where we might save and move some things around and do retrofits. Over the last 3 years, we've got a combined savings of $428,000.
Nationally, BOC candidates have helped their organizations save as much as $20,000 a year on their operating costs. And in Georgia, public schools who participated in the BOC program have seen annual savings of between $4,000 and $8,000 per school.
One of the things that this class has helped me is to understand some of the reasons on why we have implemented what we implemented, and then some extra value benefits into adding other features into what we already have put in place.
Being able to, know what programs are out there to really track, everything that's going on in your building. And just even, some of the basics as far as being familiar with your systems, having to create proper maintenance, knowing when certain things need to, be changed out or whatnot, and just even seeing that at times even poor maintenance can contribute to high usage or whatnot. So just being aware of that is very beneficial.
For us, and for me and my department, we want to keep pushing that envelope, trying to save as much money, doing things that last a long time, because in government, it's a little different than the private industry. For instance, our courthouse, we're never going to sell it. So we've got to keep improving on our infrastructure, on our buildings, and and making that work from a maintenance standpoint, but stretching the money as far as we can stretch it. So this is very important for us to keep our education going.
These individuals are going to come back. They're experts in their facilities. They have domain expertise. They're going to be able to understand that facility and start prescribing techniques and methods to that facility. And we're taking them in these classes too, to Energy Star, to website portals that are sharing these details, so they'll have immediate access to share with their supervisors and their other employees in that facility or that organization.